Hi, my name is Lito. The topic of our video, how to use anesthetics Mesonumb. This first numbing cream you can use for parent makeup, eyebrows, lips and eyeliner. I recommend to apply Mesonumb on the top of the sketch for 10-20 minutes. I am using just tiny layer of this cream. After 10-20 minutes you can remove Mesonumb with a napkin. Please order the product on marylito.com. Let me show for you how to use first numbing cream Mesonumb. Please buy the product on marylito.com. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.